Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you're well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change ringtone on WhatsApp in mobile. So let's started. At first, open your WhatsApp. Now click from WhatsApp. Now you can see now I show the new interface and click from three lines option. Now click from setting option. Now you can see open the new interface and scroll the display. And click from notification. And select from ringtone from calls. Now click. Now choose from ringtone. Now choose for any ringtone. Now click. That it's. Now you can see since the ringtone on WhatsApp in mobile is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.